Question. Hi, how are you? Answer. I'm good. What about you? Do you like school? Yes, I like it a lot. Who is your teacher? My teacher name is Mr. Lee. How often do you have class? I have class every day. What time do you go class? I go class at 9 a.m. Do you have homework? Yes, I have some every day. Do you enjoy doing homework? Yes, sometimes it's hard work. What do you do after class? I go home and relax. Do you watch TV every day? Yes, I watch TV in the evening. What do you like about her? She is very pretty. When do you paint? I paint at weekends. Do you paint at home? Yes, I have a small studio. What do you do? I'm a first year student. Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies sometimes. Who is your favorite actor? Salman Khan. Do you speak English? Yes, a little bit. Where do you live? Islamabad. What is your dream? To be a doctor. Are you married? No, I am single. Do you love your parents? Yes, I love my parents very much. How many members in your family? 5 members. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. What is your father's name? His name is Faisal Ali. Are you going on holiday? Yes, I will be going to Dubai. Do you work? No, I don't work. What does your mother do? She's a housewife. What are your future plans? I want to travel the world. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. How tall are you? I am 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Do you drive? No, I don't drive. Bye bye. Bye. Take care. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.